玩爆成大扮藝韓妹 ABC， 港大金玲阿拉合拍整蠱片。上一條片就介紹完金玲同埋阿拉有幾猛料啦，今次梗係輪到戲肉出場啦，佢哋分別會扮韓妹同埋 ABC 去整蠱啲 City 嘅同學仔嘅。事不宜遲，食花生去片。
Can you teach me like 聖蛋快樂 ？Okay. A song like how to sing in Cantonese？ 又到聖誕，sing together。
有冇？我只識一句，但係睇下歌詞先。又到聖誕，下個聖誕有冇今年咁嘆？
哦，OK，thank you very much。
又到聖誕有首啊！
又到聖誕。點解
你仲有俾心機？
多謝你。
佢扮得似唔似啊？
大陸。
多謝你哋啊！聖誕快樂。
不如又睇下阿拉點扮 ABC 啦。
Excuse me, guys. My friend just now asked me a question. Is there any Christmas song in Chinese?
我哋咩聖誕老人魔三魔
My friend just now told me that the Japanese phrase for Merry Christmas is like kimochi. Is that so?
Absolutely not.
Why? What does that mean?
解舒服。
我哋留意下嗰邊先，我哋留意下嗰邊。你望下嗰邊。Excuse me, miss. Do you know how to sing Christmas song in Chinese?
Can I check?
Oh, sure.
Where are you from?
America.
You from Hong Kong or from anywhere?
Actually in ABC.
Oh.
American born Chinese. I want to learn Merry Christmas in Japanese. And a friend of mine said that the Japanese of Merry Christmas is like kimochi desu ka?
Please.
I would like to. 楽しいクリスマス楽しいクリスマスただあなたに
Is it her? Okay.
係咪咁唱啊？做咩事啊？做咩咁得人驚嘅？
佢哋而家就喺度討論緊我，佢哋有睇過我啲片，但係都中計，好失敗咯！點解咁唔機警嘅？騙徒嘅手法果然係層出不窮啊
！FacePop 一開即韓，猛片如雲，韓料最強，快啲 download 啦！